what would you say is the minimum credit score that you could do it? I know that for FHA, they like to see like 640 range, right, with FHA, but they can go lower, like 620. I think they could even go as low as 580.
And that's what I was going to say. So yes, that's again, and that's the relationships that we have. So your base score for FHA is actually 580.
580, right? Yeah.
Most lenders attach, their overlays or they attach things to where their investment group or their group feels a little bit more comfortable. So what you see on average is about 620 to 640 is what majority of the lenders out there. Myself, having that flexibility, through our brokerage, we can go down to 580. Same with the ITIN, right? It's not as low. Most places that offer ITIN are going to want to see anywhere between. There's two factors. You can go as low as 640s is what they want to see. I can do it down to 600. Again, 600, you're going to need a higher down payment. Your interest rate's going to be higher, right? It's a higher risk loan that we're putting on the books. So it is a little bit riskier. But there is some factors, some people who have no credit score, right? Who have never applied. And we can do those as well, right? There is a home for that in the ITIN. If they've just never applied for credit, there's no credit profile established. We can do it. Again, that's going to be, probably 25% down. Rate's going to be 7%, but it is something to be able to get into a home and start building on that credit profile, so that in a couple of years they could refinance and maybe get into a little better situation.
So where I see this product helping as well too is maybe somebody that does have a pretty large down payment, 15% down, that has been able to save up 70, 80,000, which, believe it or not, people, there are a lot of people out there that don't have a social security number that have this type of money. And essentially, what if they're applying for legal residency and in 2 years they're going to get their legal residency? They are able to buy because the market has been going up. They basically refinance once they get their legal residency, and then basically they're able to refinance to a regular traditional loan at that time. And then basically it's a win-win for the investors because the investors made 6-7%. It's a win-win for the person that had the ITIN number because they were able to get a loan. I look back at this product and I'm just thinking, man, for those people without social, what if they had bought a home back in 2010, back in 2009 when it was the bottom of the market? Now that house is worth 500,000-600,000, 700,000. For people like that, I mean, it would have been a great product. But I think that sometimes people don't know that these programs are available, and they don't know how it would work. So essentially, it holds them back from doing these types of activities.